HelpSpot is a popular help desk software that many businesses consider when choosing customer service tools. But before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know to determine if it's the right fit for your team. First, it's important to mention that HelpSpot offers a range of features, but when compared to other help desk solutions like Zendesk or Freshdesk, it has a more focused approach. It's designed to be simple and straightforward, which makes it great for teams that don't need complex customization options. Next thing to consider, HelpSpot's ticket management system is user-friendly, but it lacks some of the automation features you'll find in competitors like Zoho Desk. HelpSpot's automation is functional, but if you're looking for highly customizable workflows, you might find it limiting. The third thing is its reporting and analytics tools. HelpSpot offers basic reporting, but it's not as robust as what you get from platforms like Freshdesk or ServiceNow. If data-driven decision-making is crucial for your business, you might need to look elsewhere, especially if you need deep insights into your team's performance or customer interactions. Another important point is that HelpSpot is highly praised for its simplicity. If you're a smaller business or a team that just needs a straightforward help desk solution, HelpSpot might be ideal. However, if you're managing a large team or require advanced integrations, it could fall short. Platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk provide more powerful integrations with third-party applications, which is something to consider if your business relies heavily on other software tools. The fifth thing, HelpSpot's customer support is generally good, but you might find the response times a little slower compared to other platforms like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk, which offer 24/7 live chat support and quicker resolution times. Next, HelpSpot's pricing structure is transparent and affordable for small teams, but it can get expensive as your team grows. Competitors like Freshdesk and Zendesk offer more flexible pricing plans that might better suit your evolving needs. The seventh thing to know is that HelpSpot offers both on-premise and cloud-based options. This flexibility is great if your business has strict data privacy requirements. However, most competitors are purely cloud-based, which may be a better option for businesses that prioritize scalability and ease of use without managing infrastructure. Moving on to the next thing, HelpSpot's knowledge base feature allows you to create self-service options for your customers, but it's not as intuitive or advanced as the ones available in Zendesk or Freshdesk, which have more advanced features for creating and managing help articles. The ninth point is about its collaboration tools. HelpSpot offers shared inboxes and team collaboration features, but it doesn't have the same level of sophistication as Zendesk's team collaboration tools, which include real-time communication and advanced team management. Another thing to consider is its mobile app. HelpSpot offers a basic mobile version, but it's not as feature-rich as other platforms like Freshdesk, which provides more functionalities, allowing your team to fully manage support on the go. The 11th thing is the security and data protection. HelpSpot complies with industry standards, offering SSL encryption and other basic security features. However, if you need enterprise-level security, you might find Zendesk or ServiceNow better equipped for handling sensitive data and offering compliance with more stringent security protocols. Finally, it's worth noting that HelpSpot offers a solid knowledge base of articles and helpful resources, but it lacks the active community engagement you'll find with competitors like Zendesk, where users can share ideas and solutions. In conclusion, HelpSpot is a solid help desk software that works well for smaller teams or businesses that don't need a lot of complexity. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, integrations, and scalability, we recommend exploring our preferred solution that you can try for free. It's a better option if you're looking to scale and need more flexibility in the long run.